Welcome to eBiyahe Academy, your one step closer to success. Here in eBiyahe Academy, you will learn how to navigate your portal and start to earn full-time. How to book airlines. Log into your portal and go to your dashboard, click airline, and then we have option for one-way and round trip. For example, for one-way, click Manila to Cebu, for example. For the calendar, makikita mo dito yung pricing natin. Yung pricing natin dito, just to remind you, is net. Wala pa dito yung taxes and other service fee natin. So, but ang maganda dito, makikita mo yung overview kung alin ditong date yung mas mura. So, makakapili ka or makakasuggest ka sa customer mo kung anong date yung mura. So, we have June, July, August. So, mas makikita mo dito kung anong month din yung affordable. So, for example, this one, September 4. So, click mo lang yan. So, kung one way lang, ito lang po, one date lang po ang fill upan natin. And then for the class, you can choose economy and business. And for the adult, you can book up to 9 adult. And then for the child, you can book up to 8 po. Yan. Okay. So, for the infant, input mo lang kung ilan po yung infant natin dyan. And then click kung senior po yung pasahero natin. And then click search kung wala naman po. Yan. For the next page, makikita nyo po dito lahat po ng available na seats, available na flights. Here. On the left side, makikita nyo po yung filters natin for the pricing, for the departure time, and arrival time. Pwede nyo po yan i-filter. For example, gusto nyo po is morning, like 7 to 11 a.m. Yan. So, ang lalabas lang po dito is yung arrival na 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Ganun po yung paggamit ng filter. Same goes po with departure and same goes kung magkano po yung fare na gusto nyo lang lumabas dito. But kung wala naman, you can just leave it. Huwag nyo na lang po siyang galawin. And then, for the segment filter, you can choose connecting or direct flight. Pwede rin po kayong mag-filter out ng mga airlines kung anong airlines lang yung gusto mong lumabas. But kung wala naman po, just let it be and then ito na po yung lumabas na mga available seats for the day po na pinili po natin. So for Philippine Airlines, halos lahat po ng lumabas. We have AirAsia, we have Cebu Pacific. Okay, so kung ano po yung lumabas sa taas, ito po yung pinaka-affordable sa lahat po ng choices. So, 1,932. So, yung pricing po dito is per person at kasama na rin po yung travel agent commission na nilagay natin sa service charge. And then, kung okay na po yan, click lang po ang book. This is your traveling schedule. So, makikita nyo dito ang complete details and you have time to double check all the details po ng pasahero nyo. Ang papunta at ang pagdating. So, departure and arrival. Make sure na tama po yan, na Manila po ang departure and Cebu po ang arrival. Baka mamaya po kasi Cebu pala ang gusto na departure ni client, tapos ang arrival niya is Manila. So, malaki pong gulo, diba? So, you have to double check kung kaya ng triple check kasi we have ample time, 15 minutes po yan to confirm, to triple check your details po ng pasahero natin. And then the total fare, makikita nyo rin po dito. So, dito rin po, you can click autofill agent details, which is your details na po yan as agency or travel agent. So, yan. You can click mail and SMS para makaka-receive po kayo ng information about dito sa ibubook nyo. And then, for the passenger details, it's very, very important po na tama yung details na ilalagay natin. We have Mr. for men and then Miss for women. So, for example, is Juan San Jose. Yan. Okay, so usually, pag 2 words yung last name or name ni customer, pwede mong lagyan niya ng space or without space. Okay? For example, may junior naman si Juan, with space or without space is can be. Ibig sabihin, pwede po yan. Ang importante po sa airline industry is tama po yung spelling. So, kung magkakamali po yan, like, ginawa nyo pong U, yung Jose, yung O sa Jose, mayroon po tayong kailangang ayusin dito. We have to amend. So, medyo konting hassle po yan. We have to do some emails to amend the name of the passenger. So, make sure you have the passenger ID or passport. Kung ano po yung ID na gagamitin nila upon boarding, dapat yun po yung pinresenta nila sa inyo once na nagpabook po sila. Para kokopyahin nyo po doon yung tamang spelling po ng pasahero. So, kung Mr. po yung nilagay nyo, so probably male po yan, no? And then, make sure na tama yung pangalan ni customer. And then, kung ang pangalan naman ni customer, i-add ko na rin, no? So, Juan, the third, di ba merong ganyan? Merong the second, ganyan. Okay? And then, kung ang apelido naman ni customer is Quino, yung merong Enye. Ang Enye po, just to give you a fact, ang Enye is kasama po yan sa alphabet, Filipino alphabet, pero hindi po yan kasama sa international alphabet. Ano po ibig sabihin nun? Sa airline industry po, ginagamit natin is international alphabet. Ibig sabihin, disregard po yung Filipino alphabet. Wala pong Enye sa international. So, ano pong gagawin yan? Yung nasa ID po niya is meron pong Enye. Ang gagawin lang po natin is yung Enye, gagawin po nating N. Normal lang po na N. For example, ito po, Quino. So, ilalagay ko siya or itatype ko siya as N. Okay? Wala pong magiging problema yan. Because again, we're using international alphabet. For insurance naman, the client have an option kung gusto niya mag-add ng insurance or ayaw niyang mag-add ng insurance. Pero mas maganda na mag-add tayo ng insurance dito for the safety of the client and for our benefits din kasi you will earn another commission aside dun sa ticket na binook niya. Meron ka ding additional commission once na nagbenta ka ng insurance. Travel insurance ito. So, benefits for the customer, it's only 80 pesos. And then, benefits to you as a travel agent kasi you will earn additional. Okay? Pero kung ayaw naman ni customer, just click no. Right? So, once okay na yan, double check it again. So, you have 10 minutes left. Double check again and then click I agree. And then book now. Okay. So, as you can see here, meron siyang option na reserve, back, and book now. Okay. Please take note, pag Philippine Airlines or yung mga full service carrier, okay, full service carrier is like PAL, yung mga international airlines like Qatar, Delta, yung malalaki po na airlines, meron po silang option to reserve or yung parang iba-block po nila. So, hindi mo pa kailangang bayaran. Okay? But for the full service carrier lang yan. For the Cebu Pacific, wala siyang option na ganito. Cebu Pacific is one of the example of low-cost carrier. AirAsia, Cebu Pacific, Tiger Air, and marami pang iba na mga low-cost airlines. So, mapapansin mo na wala siyang option to reserve. Just only book now. Click book now. And then, another booking summary. So, you have another time. Okay? Another chance to double-check your booking if tama po yan. Check the details of the flight. Tama ba yung date? Baka mamaya, October pala yung pinapabook. Tapos, September yung nandito. Okay? And then, yung time. By the way, we use military time in airline industry, in the travel industry. So, 24/7 po yan. 24 hours po ang ginagamit natin yan or 2400s ang basa. So, 1 to 12 is AM and then 13 to 24 is PM. So, this one, for example, is 3:40. Ibig sabihin po, madaling araw po ito, 3:00 ng madaling araw. So, we have separate training about that military time for airline industry. So once na okay na yan, so you opted no insurance, and then so you are paying, customer will be paying 1,932 included travel agent commission. And then click book now. So this is a demo, so I cannot do the book now. For more video trainings and information, kindly watch all video posted here in our website. Thank you!